Alexa, elevator up.
Okay.
Hey, Google, elevator down.
Elevator coming down. Pneumatic Vacuum Elevators. Smart home integration. Learn more online.
Beautiful in design, innovatively engineered. At Pneumatic Vacuum Elevators, we're taking our industry to new heights. Since starting out in 2002, we've become the global leader in the use of air to lift people, the sleek, stylish, clean, and eco-friendly alternative to bulky predecessors. Unlike your average elevator, our revolutionary vacuum elevators are designed with your interior in mind, but they also offer far more than aesthetics. They're simple to install with minimal construction requirements. They save space, they're highly eco-friendly, and require almost no maintenance without the need for messy oils or lubricants. Our patented technology is changing the way we transport people and goods. Take a look at how it works at vacuumelevators.com. There you can browse the projects we've completed for clients across America and globally. And while you're online, don't forget to request further information or follow the links to our social media. That's vacuumelevators.com.